What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car wax for cars on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Turtle Wax Graphene Past Wax. Introducing the all-new Turtle Wax ceramic patent pending Graphene Past Wax. The Turtle Wax experts have put 75 years worth of expertise into one wax. The unsurpassed technology competes with the best paste waxes around at a reasonable price. Formulated with a unique blend of 10 waxes infused with ceramic CO2 and patent pending graphene. The combined benefits include incredible gloss, slickness, water repellency, chemical resistance, along with heat dissipation for increased UV protection. This helps keep water and contaminants from sticking to the vehicle, resulting in a clean, protected, and easier to maintain finish. Unlike most paste waxes, it goes on smooth and wipes off easily. To celebrate 75 years of Turtle Wax, we developed a unique blend of 10 different waxes to create one of the most powerful car wax solutions ever. Infused with slick CO2 and advanced graphene polymers, this ultra-premium ceramic paste wax fills and corrects slight imperfections for a glassy, showroom look that doesn't quit. We know. We've tested it against the world's best waxes. And with just one use, you get intense water-beading action for months of durability and chemical resistance. Prepare yourself for the ultimate wow factor with maximum protection, rich color enhancement, and a beautiful, eye-popping sheen. Advanced graphene ceramic formula creates the most powerful shield against swirls, oxidation, and color fading. Superhydrophobic ceramic polymers force raindrops to roll right off your car. Super smooth glide and wipe application for an effortless, brilliant shine. Hand application method. Spread a thin, even coat of wax using a foam applicator over one section at a time. A little product goes a long way. Allow product to dry to a light haze. Use a clean, dry plush microfiber towel to buff and remove. Follow up with a separate clean, dry microfiber and buff to a high shine. In our list, the number 4 product name is Nu Finish Car Polish. Nu Finish the Once a Year Car Polish is an ideal addition to your car care products. This liquid auto polish is the one best-selling car polish, NPD 2016 April 2020, for 4 years and counting. Nu Finish liquid car polish is made up of cross-linking polymer emulsions that help it last longer than any other polish on the market and let you apply it in direct sunlight. Following an auto wash, dry the vehicle surface and apply Nu Finish car polish. Let the polish dry, then wipe using a clean cloth. Depend on Nu Finish, the only car polish tough enough to be called the once-a-year car polish. Nu Finish liquid car polish is the one-rated car polish, as determined by leading consumer magazines, for its consistent combination of protection, durability, gloss improvement, and retail value. What makes Nu Finish so effective is its wax-free formula, which makes it both easier to apply in all temperature and sun conditions and more durable. To use, simply apply a small amount of Nu Finish to a clean vehicle exterior with a damp cloth, Let it dry to a haze and wipe off. No heavy rubbing or nail buffing is needed. The wax-free, new finish formula provides all-weather protection to your car and can also be used to protect a wide range of other vehicles and items. Conventional waxes don't last long because the common ingredient in these products, carnauba wax, breaks down quickly in everyday conditions. Neither new finish liquid nor new finish past car polish contain carnauba waxes. No other liquid or paste products can make that claim. New finish is made up of a series of zinc cross-linking polymer emulsions that help it last longer than any other polish on the market. This is why new finish is called the once-a-year car polish. Give new finish a try and catch how it makes water bead month after month. In addition to protecting your car's finish, new finish works great on fiberglass boats, airplanes, motorcycles, and recreational vehicles. New finish can also be used on chrome, and it works great to protect against salt spray, bird droppings, tree sap, and road tar. Further, customers even report using new finish on stainless steel, copper, kitchen cabinets, refrigerators, guitars, granite countertops, and much more. The manufacturer of new finish car polish, the Reed Union Corporation, maintains a 100% satisfaction guarantee for their product. Once applied, if new finish doesn't shine and last longer than any other polish or treatment on the market, you may return it within 30 days to the manufacturer for a full refund or replacement. New finish is manufactured by the Reed Union Corporation. Reed Union has been a leader in the manufacture of high-quality chemical coatings since 1929, and along with Now Finish, has been the driving force behind several important and recognized products such as new enamel and new vinyl. Today, Reed Union remains committed to producing high quality, easy to apply, and long lasting car care products for loyal customers in the United States and throughout the world. In our list, the number 3 product name is Mother's Ultimate Hybrid Ceramic Wax. Mother's, our ultimate hybrid turmeric wax isn't your father's car wax. Featuring a balanced blend of advanced science and traditional car care, this formula seamlessly unites the trusted and time-tested natural protection of one yellow carnauba wax with the cutting-edge nano-quartz ceramic technology of today. Ultra-fine polishes remove minor imperfections and oxidation, promoting proper adhesion and paving the way for a long-lasting, size 02 fortified shine that repels water and contaminants with ease. Keeping with conventional methods, our ultimate hybrid TEM ceramic wax eliminates learning curves and application curve balls, allowing you to wax on and wax off as you always have. It's that easy. This formula combines the trusted and time-tested natural protection of one yellow carnauba wax with cutting-edge nano-quartz ceramic technology. Ultra-fine polish removes minor imperfections and oxidation. Super hydrophobic with ceramic durability, size 02 fortified shine that repels water and contaminants. Simple wax on, wax off application enhances color, gloss, and clarity. In our list, the number 2 product name is Chemical Guys Wet Mirror Finish. Chemical Guys Wet Mirror Finish is the unique gloss magnifying glaze that takes any vehicle's shine to the next level. Wet Mirror Finish is the unique glaze that cleanses light stains and water spots from paintwork to enhance the look of any car. Use Wet Mirror Finish to fill light swirls and scratches and enhance the bright shine and deep wet reflection on any color paintwork. Wet Mirror Finish makes any car shine like a mirror. Use Wet Mirror Finish to add extra shine, depth, and reflection to your brand new or well-used car. Apply wet mirror finish by hand or machine for fantastic results. Wet mirror finish is blended with durable blockers that protect your paint from harmful solar rays that can damage and fade the paint finish over time. Top wet mirror finish with your favorite chemical guys, sealant or wax to lock in the exclusive deep wet reflection and bright shine for months on end. Use Chemical Guy's wet mirror finish for a bright and deep reflective shine that lasts and lasts. Chemical Guy's wet mirror finish is the unique gloss magnifying glaze that takes any vehicle's shine to the next level. Wet mirror finish is the unique glaze that cleanses light stains and water spots from paintwork to enhance the look of any car. Use wet mirror finish to fill light swirls and scratches and enhance the bright shine and deep wet reflection on any color paintwork. Wet mirror finish makes any car look like a mirror. Use wet mirror finish to add extra shine, depth, and reflection to your brand new or well used car. Apply wet mirror finish by hand or machine for fantastic results. Wet mirror finish is blended with durable UV blockers that protect your paint from harmful solar rays that can damage and fade the paint finish over time. Top wet mirror finish with your favorite chemical guy, sealant or wax to lock in the exclusive deep wet reflection and bright shine for months on end. In our list, the number one product name is Megias Cleaner Wax. Megias Cleaner Wax Liquid is a versatile one-step past wax specially formulated to produce dazzling results on all glossy paint finishes, including clear coats. This wax safely and effectively removes surface contaminants and blemishes that dull your finish, including fine scratches and swirl marks, and leaves an impressive high gloss shine. Rich conditioning oils with gentle cleaning ability make this an excellent choice for daily drivers exposed to the elements. Easier to use than traditional carnauba wax. It can be applied by hand or by DA polisher like Megiar's DIN 300 Dual Action Polisher. Not everyone has the time, ability, or even the desire sometimes to do a multi-step system on their car. Megias Cleaner Wax Liquid is an excellent 3-in-1 formula that cleans, polishes, and protects your paint in one easy step. This carnauba-based formula safely and effectively cleans surface contaminants and light below surface defects like light oxidation, haze, minor scratches and swirls, stains, etchings, and more. Polishing oils enhances gloss and shine, while wax protection creates a sacrificial barrier between your paint and the environment. This 3-in-1 car wax is also safe and effective on clear coat, single stage, and all glossy paints. Whether working by hand, orbital, or dual action polisher, like Megiar's DIN 300 DA polisher, this liquid wax does a great job cleaning, polishing, and protecting paint. Megias Cleaner Wax is also available in a paste version for those who prefer paste waxes.